Begin to make yourself comfortable on a cushion resting on the floor, or on a chair with your back upright, supporting itself, and your feet flat on the floor. And start to bring your attention to your breathing. Feel the breath slowly flying in and out from wherever you feel it most strongly in the body. Now, if you start to think of a loved one, someone who loves you unconditionally. This could be a child, a friend, a family member, or even a pet. Once you have them in your mind, feel the love that they have for you. Bask in it. Let it soak into your body, your bones, your soul. Let this feeling grow. Keeping this feeling and this loved one in mind, begin now to offer the love to them and slowly, meaningfully repeat these words. May they be safe and free from suffering. May they be happy and healthy. May they feel kindness and live with ease. Let these words drift into the universe. And as you say them and think of this person, feel the effect that they make in your body, like the ripples left behind in water. May they be safe and free from suffering. May they be happy and healthy. May they feel kindness and live with ease. Now turn your attention to offering this love and kindness to yourself. It isn't a matter of whether you feel you deserve it or not. Just offer these feelings up to yourself and say all of or some of the words, and listen to the echoes that may occur. May I be safe and free from suffering. May I be happy and healthy. May I feel kindness and live with ease. Now, if you bring to mind a stranger, someone you sometimes see on a train or on your way to work, who you recognize but don't know the life of, bring them to your mind and quietly say, May they be safe and free from suffering. May they be happy and healthy. May they feel kindness and live with ease. Now, if you choose, bring to mind someone who you may be experiencing animosity with at the moment. This could be a boss at work or a family member that you have had a disagreement with. Appreciate that they may want to be happy too, and extend this kindness to them. May they be safe and free from suffering. May they be happy and healthy. May they feel kindness and live with ease. Let the feeling of love that you encouraged at the start of this meditation build up again. And now let it expand, imagining it is growing from your body and engulfing everything and everyone around you, your neighbours, the country you're in, the sky, the ocean, and the whole world. Hold the whole world in your thoughts. May we be safe and free from suffering. May we be happy and healthy. May all of us feel kindness and live with ease. Let your words hang in the air and return to your breathing for a few moments now. Gently begin to think of your surroundings. Break a smile, and then when you're ready, open your eyes and feel a deserved sense of joy in appreciating yourself and others in this way.